Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. The Canyon Ranch spas are known for their high quality, healthy meals, and this cookbook allows you to get those same dishes at home. So this cookbook is really beautiful, and I absolutely love that there are so many pictures of the dishes. That really helps me when I'm choosing recipes to be able to visualize them. I also love that this cookbook offers different techniques and tips on healthy cooking to add flavor without adding a lot of extra fat and calories. And it really goes into detail in different sections on explaining how to use the ingredients and how to get the most out of them and make a really delicious meal. So I really appreciate all those little added bits in the book to give you those tips and understand why things work the way they do and how it can affect the outcome of your dish. So I really appreciated learning from this cookbook. So if you want to try your hand at some healthy cooking at home, I would definitely check out this cookbook, and that's my point of view.